Hello, hello, hello. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Everyone. Hope you're doing well. Let me get everything up and ready over here. Okay, morning, good morning everyone. Hope you're doing well on this beautiful Sunday. Not Sunday, Jesus Christ, Tuesday. So first things first, let's take a look at the news over here. So in terms of news, we have Governor Bailey speaking again at 9:45. It's a bit annoying for Tuesday. We did start speaking at 6 PM last night. It was only moved at 6 PM. Not really. Not really. So, in terms of today, right, we have pound 9.45, Governor Bailey speaking. That's fine. US at 130, goods trade balances. So that's light yellow news. It's not really too bad. And then we have some consumer confidence later on at 3 o'clock. So realistically, today is not bad. Just maybe be careful towards the late London session for GJ because Governor Bailey speaking. Why start early? We always start at this time, brother. We always start at this time. So, yeah, let's have the charts on here and let's take a look, right? Let's see what we can get. Wow, looking at Asian session move quite a lot here. 80 pips in Asian session, nice. Very nice. So let me just put this one on here. So daily time frame still in this area. The good thing is that we moved quite nicely in this zone though, so we're not really asked that the higher time frame is not really showing me anything, but yeah. Daily time frame is bearish right now, so the candle right now is bearish. Previous one did close bullish, engulfed the previous. But as I say, it's still, you know, ranging between 162 and 160 really. It's kind of just sitting around that area. Okay, so taking a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour. We closed bearish obviously in the previous ones, right at support. You can see there's a big support here, right around 160,800. Right here, you can see support. Seems to be holding quite hard. So gotta remember that just in case you try and get into trades, not knowing that there's a big higher time frame support, you're gonna get slapped. So taking a look now, then, what do you have? Well, clearly you have a support at where price is right now, which you identified like here at 167.50. Okay. So in terms of where I want to take trades, I actually, to be honest with you, sells below 167.50 could be quite nice to continue back down to 160, 250. This is a 50 pip zone, and that zone is very, very clean. Okay, so what I can see from this zone is that we push down here very quickly, we push up quickly, we push down quickly, push up quickly, we push down quickly, push up quickly. So this zone should be quite nice for us to fill if we do get down to there and get a nice strong closure. We've already just rejected it though, so we do need a very strong closure at that level. But if it happens, it's good stuff. $168.63. Okay, let's take a look how that looks like on the hourly and stuff. Yeah, so a little bit further below. I need a strong closure, you know. I need a little bit of a strong closure just so I can properly get a closure in that zone. Yeah, maybe like 750. So that'd be nice, maybe for later on, hopefully. We can get that before 9:45. If not, I'll have to be later on, maybe in NY session. Let me look above. Obviously, this was quite clean. It's quite choppy here, though, to be honest with you. It moved nicely there, but yeah, that's kind of put me off this level here. We moved pretty slowly. However, what do we have above? Well, we had a little fake out, 161,720. The zone above's all right. I'd say mainly the buys. The good buys are probably 162,400. Yeah, and then obviously further on, you could potentially take buys even further, 162,700. If you miss the first one, because above there is also clean. Very nice. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm working with the GJ here. And the zone's good below. I mean, you could potentially go for buys above here, but it has faked out that level, and we do have this clean candle here to maybe mirror. You could maybe look for a buy above there. That makes sense. But yeah, it was range in there, so it's like that's all right. It's all right. 161,800. How would that look like on like the 4-hour and stuff? Yeah, we're breaking 4-hour resistance. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, looking like it's pretty nice chart work this morning on GJ, to be honest. You can really identify my zones pretty easily here. So very nice. Let's take a look then at Goldie. Goldie McGoldie. Daily time frame is bullish right now. Daily time frame bullish. Okay, the 4-hour time frame is also bullish. The daily time frame, did it close bearish again? Yeah, so it closed exactly what I said price is going to do, you know. Price closed back in the zone, so theoretically this candle should push and fill this zone, which it pretty much did, you know. It was only 2 pips off or whatever. So that's pretty good. 4-hour time frame is bullish right now. Last one did close bearish, finding a little bit of maybe resistance. This is what we're looking at right now. Move that on properly. Let me lock these in place. Okay, so take a look then at the lower time frame. Hourly time frame did make a little bit of resistance here. Very nice. Obviously, I discussed this clean zone before yesterday. What a nice move. In terms of now, though, I mean, you know, it starts to get maybe a little bit on the choppier side. Do have resistance here already. 1963. So obviously we made the clean candles back up to this level from 1957. So where would I want to be taking nice trades on Goldie? Gets a little bit hard, eh? Gets a little bit hard because I'm trying to find the clean zones for me to take trades in, and we don't really have too many. Okay, we don't have too many. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. 1952. There's support right there though, 49, and sort of rejection wick to there. Don't know if that's big enough. Yeah, it's choppy, man. I want clean candles. The only thing maybe is a 5-minute trend line, potentially. Goldie looks choppy today. Yeah. A little bit choppy. And then obviously, like, if you look for buys above as well. So, looking for sells and trying to find any clean candles for me to mirror. I can't find any. So, that's a bit annoying. We do have these zones. This is where I finished looking at gold yesterday when this candle here, this 30-minute, did not close below. I was like, right, well, we can't do that then. Look at that. It broke the low as well. Everyone was trying to take trades, but it didn't close below. So, fake out there. If you guys caught that, if you guys did get caught in that celery there, the failed celery, just remember, it didn't close below. In terms of buys above, yeah, it's just all a bit choppy on Goldie, to be honest with you. So, that just means that I leave the day with Goldie, really. Until maybe later on, until maybe price gets a little bit better. Daily time frame on EJ is still the exact same thing, you know, similar to GJ, just doesn't really have any sort of direction. Yet it's kind of just hovering or running between, you know, two certain levels. Let me just move that on here. So the hourly time frame looking like it came all the way down. The 30-minute time, exactly the same thing. Where would I want to be taking nice trades? Well, the first thing that comes to mind is, you know, where are the clean candles? Well, they were down here. Like, that was quite clean down. That was quite clean up, really. So where I could probably take trades would be sell below 140.078. Can I take a sell below there? 145. Maybe, I mean, that's a 50 pip zone, to be fair, so potentially sell below them levels, I think, to continue further down, and then obviously to continue really to this low would be nice. $140, 457. Very nice, and then obviously sells below 140.78. Very nice. Let's make these into the color of green. And there we go. In terms of buys, where would I want to take them? Do you have resistance right here? Did we actually continue when we looked at the trades? No, I did a little bit. That kind of closed above. Yeah, I was about to take this EJ buy on this break of the high there. But for me, it was just getting a bit too late, and 162 was there as well. And I've just seen a lot of times it has faked out them areas, so kind of left it. And I had a lack of volume on the lower time frames. The 5 minutes started to range. It did push up though eventually, which was nice, but decided to leave it. So yeah, in terms of buys, would have to see. I think there's nothing really that speaks to me, to be honest. So yeah, just the sells. That looks like an EJ today. Just the sells. And there we go. Pretty simple. Pretty simple stuff. And now we just get paid to wait. Yeah, hopefully this GJ sells would be nice later on, and all that kind of stuff would be great. But right now we are on 4-hour support. We've got to respect it. So yeah. Maybe 141 800 on EJ. Yeah. I see what you mean. It's quite clean above. I think 141 700 could be quite nice. How does the hourly look there? Yeah, I think hourly support there. Yeah, it could not. Might not be too bad either. The zone's big enough, isn't it? It's a huge zone. 46 pipperoonies. So yeah, potentially good spot. Oh, I have coffee. I need a coffee, I'm yawning. Max, on the 1 hour on GJ, do you think it will hit next support on the 1 hour? What? Where? What, here? Well, there, next support? I don't know. So remember the same thing that I always say, right? Don't ask me, you know, are we gonna go to, you know, is GJ gonna go to here? Is GJ gonna go to there? It's like, well, I don't know. If I knew, I wouldn't, you know, I'd be not discussing this with you guys. But if we get a closure below, if I get a closure below my level, 170, 160, 750, then there's a high chance that if we make a top look and we flip, we're gonna push to this zone. So it's kind of just putting it like that. I don't know where things are gonna go. I can guess, but when things happen, then I can make a really educated guess. I can put some money on it. Goldie reacted off hard as well. EJ starting to bring some volume in. Very nice. Looks like GJ's flipping. Flipping what? Yeah, nice. Obviously, the candles next to it are not too good themselves, so we just gotta pick that one. The good thing is, if you have 3 charts in the day, right, and you have one that looks clean, you just wait for that one and leave the other ones alone. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Bright and early today. Bright and early. We are live on YouTube right now. Make sure to come and join the squad. Let's go. Looking at GJ now, looking at Gold and EJ. So yeah, that's how we plan our day really now. Morning Max, morning all, morning. Hope everyone is well. Hi Max, I bought Magic Keys yesterday using your code. Can you use it with pending, or is it only market execution? You can use it with pending. Yeah, you just do open calc and then click market pending, and it brings a yellow line, and then you just put that where you want it. Yeah. And that's where you can put it, brother. Do you find support using 30-minute or 1 hour time frame? 30-minute and 15. Mainly 30-minute. I like buys with 161, 100. Yeah, I mean it was clean on, it was clean Asian, it was clean here, it was clean here, but this was naff. Buys seem to be. So if you look at how the buys moved in this area. It's not really the nicest. It's all right at the start, and then it gets a little bit choppy. So where your starts here, this is going to be choppy again. So that's why I don't really like it too much. For the Magic Key settings, do you have to change much? I just bought yesterday. No, just put your risk in that you want to risk. Put your close custom percentage. And that's pretty much it. Did Wixie get a trade last night? Wixie, bye.
I'd just rather not.
No, dead Asian. Yeah, look pretty quiet. Look pretty quiet to me. Lord Banks FX. Oh. Oh. Some issues there, I think. Oh, he's definitely had some issues here. What do you think about sales below 1966? Do you mean? What do you think about sales below 1966? Do you mean 56? Because we're sales below, we're already below that level, bro. I think that will move for London. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we'll see what the gods give us. If so, we'll take advantage of it. If not, we'll not take advantage of it. I think it means buys above 1966. I know you mean sells below 1956. Yeah, this is choppy, man. So just choppy. For me, it's not like, oh, it could work. Yeah, it could work. I could maybe get a 5-minute trend line, but for the most part, I just want a clean zone on Goldie, and this is not clean, so that doesn't bother me. That doesn't bother me. You think gold reaches above 2000 or back below 1900 within next month? I don't know, because I'm not Mystic Minded. I don't fucking know. Why do people ask them questions, man? Is it because you're in a trade? I don't know. I hold my trades on for fucking 30 minutes. I don't need to know if it needs to go to 2000 or not. I do not need to know. I haven't watched any of this Europe stuff. Probably Arsenal played quite, Ireland played quite well.
He is in. Bazunu forces him out wide. Giroud, and Ireland got rid of it.
Oh, what a goal.
That's a bad ball. There's his third goal for his country.
Times wanting to play it short and there's no need.
No foul. Knight ends up on the ground. Rabiot happy to accept possession. Diaby. Tabar gets outside of Diaby and Bazunu.
Oh.
With the set. McLean with the shot.
Hey, this game looked good.
Corner. About to get in. Here's McLean now. McLean with the shot. Better delivery that time.
Ooh.
Aaron Brown is out for another corner. That was some save.
This is like a good game.
Cullen again.
Oh, what a save. Mate, that's a world-class save, that, man. Jeez. So yeah, coming towards maybe the end of the month, you know, 70% win rate, 10% gains. So far. Not bad. If you guys came to streams, wow, I've taken 1 L in a London session this year. This month. 1 L. It was an EJ sell. Damn, son. Damn, son. Taking 23 trades. Yeah, that's quite 24 trades. Quite a big amount. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, looking like we are rejecting 750 here on GJ, but as I said, still got a little bit longer to get to our zones to take trades on. Sells are good, and buys are quite far away, to be honest. To be honest with you. Pavard only scores bangers. Yeah. You think goal? De Gea saves. De Gea saves are still pretty good. Oh, I went to this. What's it called? It's like a memorabilia shop. What a fucking great shop. They had like a signed Darth Vader helmet. I was like, oh my god. A signed Darth Vader house, man. Hat. Did people in the YouTube chat take any trades through NY session? And also, yeah, we need to ask, you know, coming towards the end of the month, how has your month been? Let's take a look. We will start a poll. Start a Q&A. Does your discount code work for on screen as well? Yeah. How was your March month? Yeah, how was it? For us, decent, you know. High win rate, quite a lot of break evens. Still hitting, you know, some good profits, so it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let's take a look then. How was your month? Someone said break even. Started trading again, down 8%. It's okay, comeback season on the way. Well, you just need it's not really a comeback. You just need to look at why you're down 8%. It's clearly an issue there. This year was amazing, and I just took some simple closure retest trades. Nice, yeah, there was nice little trades yesterday, eh? Yeah, if you're down like 8%, then it's probably best to go through why. Where is this? Yeah, there's 4 hours. Obviously, if it breaks the high of the previous, then we're probably going to continue up here. But looking like it's making a little bit of resistance, which is interesting. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're doing well, sorry. Hope you're doing well, feeling good. My legs are sore from the gym again. Nice, Daniel, man. Nice, Daniel. Good morning, Maxi. Good morning, good morning. Hope you're doing well. I also did legs today. Yeah, I did legs yesterday, but I could barely walk after. What about buys with 141 at 460? No, choppy. This is a little choppy. I know it was clean through Asian, but yeah, the buys coming up were nasty. It's not perfect for me. It's not perfect though. Do you think 141 800 is better for buys? Get rid of rejection to the left. 141 800. Yeah, I mean, you know, you could do, yeah. So like a little bit higher up, so like there. Get above that support on the hourly. Yeah, it's actually on the 15 as well. Probably makes sense. So 779. And that'll make it maybe a little bit cleaner for us. Because it'll be above that level as well, here as well. Yes, sir. 36 likes, guys. Amazing work already. It's only 7 AM, boy. Look at Goldie coming down. Zone all the way to 1945. Ooh, got another subscriber here. Thank you very much, Christian, for subscribing. On this beautiful Sunday. I keep on saying Sunday, my god. I wish it was Sunday. Nah, Sundays is one of the worst days, man. I hate Sundays. Fridays is the day. What's your thought about Carl Henry? Seems like a decent dude. So flip the 4 hour now. Obviously in terms of this zone, it's a little bit on the shit price action side. That's the only issue. It's a rather shit price action. Which is not the best for Goldie, right? You really need clean zones on Goldie. So you just gotta wait for them to come about. So yeah, also people who have joined the mentorship recently, make sure to go to that pinned message. Because I know some of you probably haven't done that. Make sure to go to this pinned message, get access to the G drive there and the other mentorship link. Ask for access on this one here, and then I'll add you to it. Do you trade on Fridays? Yeah. Fridays have been, Fridays are pretty good days, to be honest. Yeah, I wouldn't really miss a Friday. Unless there's like big news. Then, I know if I'm profitable for the week, then I'll be like, yeah, it's fine. Just depends on that, really. Cowboys can take the hourly flip. What's up? I just got here longs on GJ. It's just our support. Of the zone of both for buys. Wasn't really the cleanest both times it came up, so I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced, especially how bearish the Asian session was. You know, I expect really this candle to make a top wick on the 4 hour and then reflip. But obviously there is still loads of support there, which you could still hold really. So yeah, we just gotta wait a little longer. But I you know, I know what people are saying here. Like, well, look, you get a closure above there. You have this, but this was really choppy through time of high volume as well. So it annoys me a little bit. Yeah, I was saying to Caitlin yesterday, I was going out my gaff to go to the gym, and I looked to my left, and these 3 people who are like painting this wall, like for some building next to our building, one of them just nuts the other one in the head. And I go, oh my god. It's like a fucking UFC fight. I was like, oh my god. It was so random. Like, I'm just looking around, vibing, and just, some guy just nutting some guy in the face. It was mad. People are mad, boy. Yeah, so looking good, looking like we're pushing up, which is nice. And you can see in the 4 hour and the daily, yeah, just reacting off such a big level of support there. Very nice. Very nice. Max, you were going to backtest the 500 gold. How's it going? Haven't done it yet. I haven't had time. But yeah, you know, it's the same. I mean, to be honest with you, yesterday I did backtest it because it was the same as Don, right? My closure below was here. My closure below on the 5 minute is the same as Don's. Didn't close below, therefore there's no trade. So, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same really as the 30. It's just sometimes the 5 minute you get into more trades because obviously the 5 minutes is going to close below more than 30 is, right? What the fuck? Manchester United versus Wrexham FC, 25th of July. What the fuck? Right. Let's see. We still continuing up. Hasn't broken the 4 hour high yet, but it's getting pretty darn close. No lower wick on the hourly here. Oof, that's annoying. It's annoying for people. Oh shit, 5 minute close below. Didn't even see it. Nice. Didn't really close below my support though, which is 1956. But looking like the 4 hour now is starting to push down. Let me just get rid of this trend line. Yeah, I mean the 4 hour looks really, really nice for it to continue back down on the low. It's just the lower other time frames look a little bit washed, I should say. GJ, you breaking my heart. Goldie, my god. Goldie's on one again. 37 pip start for a 45 pip gain. Well, this is nothing. Damn. Me, this whole month, I mean, actually like half of the month. Gold and GJ, when it wants to go, it just goes, bro. It just goes. It's no time to die. It's just going. Nice. Yeah, man, I missed that 5-minute trend line, really. Nice to have got in there. Runners. A realistic runner today is 1945, 100 pips away. Flowing like a river? Yeah, man. 100%. Flowing like a river. Look at EJ as well. Shit. These 30-minute candles just having no bottom wick. It's just continuing. I mean, that literally just started, didn't it? Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think GJ is probably the closest thing to get... Sorry, not GJ. EJ is probably the closest thing to be getting a trade really above there. Let's take a look at some news, see if there's anything interesting going on. William Hill to pay record 19.2 million for failings. Better British penalised for failing to protect consumers. Really? As if they don't give a shit about them. Fucking hell. They found cases where customers were allowed to deposit large amounts without the business conducting appropriate checks. Damn, son. Max, no possible entry. Well, the 15's goes bearish, right? Next one could make a top wick, could flip. The zone below, I mean, the stop loss is 40 pips. The zone below is 40 pips, so... yeah, it's not bad. Bing, bang, bong. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's probably going to get down to at least 1952. Could you take a trade? I mean, already kind of pushed down here. 50-minute is making a top wick, though, so... stop loss would be 44 pips. 37 gain. There's support right there at 1954, which we tapped, though, so for me, it's, you know... if I draw that, you can start to see why I wouldn't take it. Already tapped into this zone. On that last candle, you can clearly see its support there. The 30, you can clearly see its support there. Resistance there. The 15. So it's fine. Goldie will maybe hit 1945 today. Yes. Maybe, maybe. 200 people in this building already. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What is that? How's the 4 hour looking? Yes, the 4 hours broke previous high on EJ. Is it doing the same on GJ as well? Yeah, wow. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Jacob, love you. Jacob's in the building. When do you know if it's a breakout or a fake out to trade both? Breakout with direction, fake out normally not with direction, or at a very strong resistance. Yeah. Oh yes. But there is sometimes that they do overlap, but normally what happens is you tend to get a break even on the buy and then you take the fake out. Get a win, which is pretty cool. Cool, we got 94 today. So yeah, we'll see. Wow. So this literally just started, didn't it? At 7 o'clock. Was there anything that came out at 7? Nope. So JPY news actually having an Asian session 5 and 6 o'clock. Core CPI came out worse than expected. Max, did you need an legal entity? Oh, I did it so long ago. I'll have to take a look. I don't think so, though. I don't think I've seen what that is. Legal entity, no. It was literally like 3 years ago, so I have to rejig my memory. I've never heard of it though. I don't think anyway. Go maybe at 9:45 today. Right, let's do a little bit of a wordle over here while we wait for our zones to come to fruition. Okay, let's see then. Morning, Tashi, my man. Why can't I just find one? Gorge. There's no E, but it might get me something. Nope. Man, I'm too good at that game, bro. Hurry, boy. Hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. So yeah, like look at the 15-minute on Goldie. Just tap this level and just bound off it. So that's where your TP should have been if you got into. So cheats. Swear I'm not a cheat. It's kind of that setup again that we've been discussing, that like 10 pips daily it takes, where Asian session kind of just sits at a level, specs it, and then we just fly off it. Yeah, this is happening quite a lot. There's another one. Fucking hell. Damn. We're just watching the girl go inside the school shooting everywhere like it's GTA. Oh my god. So 15-minute closed, already breaking the highs. Wow, this is mad. Volume just booted straight in. Straight in here. Morning guys, morning Prime Effects, hope you're doing well. I sure am. Yeah, looking like maybe EJ is the one that I could maybe potentially get this morning. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah, in terms of trades taken yesterday, a beautiful trade that we took, I was very happy with. But there's nothing really in NY. There was an EJ trade that I was potentially looking at the buy here, which would have worked out a little bit. Stop loss would have been 60 pips, gain would have been like 15. It was okay, but it was getting a bit too late for JPY pairs. I don't like really looking at JPY pairs after 2 o'clock. They tend to range quite a lot after. So it was getting there that, you know what, it's break of highs with an area where you need volume to push. And I think it's maybe a little bit too hard. What is going on here? Hello, hi, my man. Legend Brookie is back. He's back in the building. How do I know which ones where block ones are? Because I know Brian apparently said he's got blocked. How do I find? Wait. Here we go. Wait. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. Ah, hidden users. Here we go. Yeah, I wonder what Brian's name was then. I'll have to ask him. I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty cool. Where does volume come from? The sky. The trading gods give you the volume. Some days they give you a lot, some days they don't give you at all. Wait, what? Why is charge for soccer team players and mistaking them for fans? What? That's well funny. Hello, hello, what's up? GJ playing nicely. Yeah, GJ is just rinsing over here. Yep. But yeah, it is that thing that I say when Asian session holds support. Sorry, when Asian session holds a support, which I did here, and normally bounces off it pretty well. What pairs you trade? GJ, Gold, and EJ. Yes, sirree. So closing in 1 minute's time, this 30-minute candle, 30 minutes before London Open, but as I say, we're not at that level yet that I want on EJ. GJ is in this area. Yeah, it was cleaned down in the Asian level, but there's still a lot of choppiness there, so I'm gonna be a little bit cautious with these buys. $15 celery on Gold Max? No. Hasn't closed below. Too much support there. Too much support right here. We've rejected before. So, how far to the left do you check traffic? Just recent times. Just like most recent, so like the past days and maybe a little bit further like here. Anything after that I don't really care too much about because what price is done now. No top wick on GJ, just so much bloody volume. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Look at that candle. That's a rare Pokemon candle, that one there. Look at that. No top wick and no bottom wick. Just the whole time, just so much volume. That's funny to see. We've got a Pokemon candle. It's a very, very rare. I hate when GG runs in pre-London. Yeah. Why do you hate anything, man? It's fine. It's just moving. Candles are moving. So gold will be coming back down to the support. It's got no top wick on their 30 at the moment. Very likely still going to make one. It's only just opened. And as I said, the zone below isn't the cleanest zone. So a shiny Charizard, yeah. Just shiny ass Charizard. YouTube coming up again. What is a Pokemon candle? There's nothing special about it. It's not a name like it. It's just because it's rare. Like it's a rare candle. It is a rare ass candle. A wild no-wick Reno has appeared. Pre-summertime early volume starts kicking, I think. Love that time. You can get early trades and be done for the day very early. Yeah. 100%. It's coming towards that time, isn't it? Which is good. Early summertime. Chess, yeah, maybe a little bit of chess in a second. So it's right up 56 pips. Yeah, it's still got a while. Probably wait for this 8 o'clock to close. See where we get these levels here. Goalie looking like it's rejecting over here. Why? Well, because it's our support, man. It's not a support. Does that make Brian a Pokemon trader because he's hella rare? Don't only trade pre-London on GJ, but I got in on the 5-minute at 241 level. Very nice. Reddit Insta story coming maybe about GJ buys. What? Where? I can't see one.
He tweeted about it that he was looking for GJ buys above I don't know what the level was again.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of how you could have even got in there. So the only real possible thing is probably that rejection there, isn't it? Just holding it. After it's rejected off our support, but realistically you'd want to close at least in the 15. I'd obviously want to wait for the 30, and the 30 already pushed. So even if I wanted to take that trade, I couldn't really.
I went half risk. I mean, it's 1957.86. On the 4-hour flip again.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Enough juice has enough juice. Juice. Hey Max, if your plan was to wait for a top work to be made, would you enter on the flip or rather prefer to enter the top work to be made first and enter the break of the low? Depends on each setup, man, but mainly it's normally the flip. If the break of the high or break of the low is like close, like 2 pips away, then I'll probably do it. Yeah, the main thing is the closure and the zones. How would be in this GJ buys? for me, I wouldn't be in this GJ buy. It wasn't even a 30-minute closure. Just too much volume this morning. Oh yes. And this celery play has no top wick there, so and obviously the zone below it didn't close below, so yeah, there's nothing for me to take at the moment. Puff Gold just got a break even and it's gonna run. Oh no. Yeah, target 1951, I'd say. Just take a look then at EJ. Nearly there, it's nearly there. This volume this morning, 7 o'clock, has been mad, eh? Frankfurt Open's been.
I just secured like almost 50 pips.
Yeah, it's mad. It's mad volume, which is a bit worrying to be honest with you, because before it normally starts running before London Open, it can have a little stint. Gold stops move 10 pips and profit, hoping for runners. Nice. Hoping for runners. Hopefully. What a BS. Oh no. It's all good. I haven't taken anything yet, but I stick with my rules, man. There's nothing that I want yet at the moment, so that's how it is, you know. That's how it is. That's how it is. I'm just gonna check his name 1 sec. Kane's at home today, so I can annoy her all day, which is great news. I like it when Kane's at home. Went to the shops yesterday as well, got some good scran in. Oh yeah. Some good scran.
She studies law, right?
Yeah. Oh yes.
Yeah, we need a lawyer.
Yeah, she's pretty good as well. Pretty damn good. Just gonna do something. 1 sec. Okay. So we've got 15 minutes left or so for the Open. Does she have 4-day work week? No, she works 5, but she works from home Tuesday and Friday. Yeah. That's what I learned from you. Only rules can make you profitable. Bad profits just increase the greed. Exactly, man. Like, people are trying to look to go, oh, how could I have got into this GJ trade? I missed it. How could I have got in? If you come into the charts and not knowing how you could have got into a trade, then you don't know your strategy. For me, it needed at least a closure here. Second of all, the left-hand side for me for the buys up wasn't really clean yesterday, so it kind of puts me off anyway. And I was looking more for the sells. So, yeah. For me, there's nothing. For me, there's nothing. And once you get comfortable with that, when you just don't take the trades that maybe some other people take, then life is easy. You don't get angry when you've missed an entry that other people do. You don't care. You just trade what you need to trade. Sorry, Max. What are you waiting on gold? Nothing. I don't like the zone on gold. I like on the 4 hour to continue back down to 1945, but to find an actual clean zone on the 30-minute is pretty hard. So I don't find it. Stops hit. Ooh, someone took a stop hit over here. Stop hit. EJ pretty much came to the res and was like, nope. Starting to see maybe some retracements here on the JPY pairs. And Goldie looks a bit washed as well, so yeah, just gonna wait patiently here. Let's have a game of chess before we start not NY Open, London Open, okay? Right. Right. I need my queen to come out as well. Let's I sacrifice my bishop for your horsey. Okay, now I'm actually like it's got a bit of free space as well. Let me just go here. Probably because he doesn't want to, because he doesn't have to. Yes, hi. Beautiful. Yo, bro, we got a gold closure. Really? I suppose 15 close maybe a little bit below, but this 30 is rejected now. I don't like the zone. I think the zone's cack. So it's just one of the things, man. Once you be comfortable, and I look at the zone and I can see so many levels of rejection. I'm just not taking the trade, man. I'm not taking a trade there. No point. No point. There is no point. Let's get this queen out to play, man. Not normally this early, but saw the setup. I see. Yeah. Why the fuck did he do that? Oh, that's why. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. So looking like GJ's maybe relaxing a little bit now, starting to slow down after that big push. Same with EJ. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We're at 459 right now. Okay. So yeah, you can see these 50-minute candles are getting smaller and smaller, suggesting losing momentum. Selling gold, sorry, just joined. Nah, I don't like the zone, brother. I don't like the zone. I think it's a bit choppy for me. Jab, jab, jab. On the 15, the gold closed below the support. Yeah, it sure did. But the zone I don't like. There's wicks here. The zone's very small compared to the others. It is making a top wick. Nice. 30 minute has no top wick yet, so I'm just not. I don't like. No me gusta. No me gusta. And I could go there and we just take the queens out. That'd be silly, wouldn't it? Oh shit, yeah, the castle. Yeah. This guy's coming for my queen, eh? Not happy with that. Where should I take him? I was thinking maybe that. Why is chess all over TikTok top G influence? Yeah, I think so. So there we go. See Goldie rejecting there at the moment. 30-minute timer going to make a top wick, which we know 80% chance is going to make that, really 85% chance even. Come on, brother. So yeah, this looks like just candles losing fuel. So it's when candles push so much. Oh, did I delete it? I know, yeah. Oh, there. Bullish candles losing fuel. And you can see what tends to happen after is a big fuck off bearish candle. Yeah, I mean, can I do that first? It doesn't really matter, does it? Yeah, boy. It's a bit annoying. But anyway, I can just check him. Look at that rejection, boy. It's just not a nice zone. Kick his left pawn right. You are doomed, brother. You are doomed. Oh shit, you can go like fucking porn. Shit. Shit, I don't have much time. Oh no. So check GJ, yes. Look, see what's happening? Bearish. Why can't I move that on there? Why can't I move? What the fuck? Oh, okay, yeah. Wait. I've got a minute left. Fake out an EJ, it didn't close out of the zone, so it's not a fake out. It didn't close out of the zone. It's just playing that zone. Move! Come on. Have you taken any trades based off that pattern which you showed? No, but because it's obviously not with direction, but it's just something to be wary of. Yeah, so just remember, you know, if you've gotten in here or you got in here, take your break even if you did, or take your money out if you got maybe a little bit there. But don't fret about this. It's pushed up quite a lot. It's kind of spontaneous, you know. Just rejection for support, pushed up. So London Open in a minute's time. In a minute's time, London Open. So can you see the 15s for me here look a little bit poor? 30 minutes didn't close below anything. So yeah, I don't like it really. Is this dude just gonna not gonna play? He resigned. Well, that's a W. That's a nice little W. So goalie coming down again. Yeah, this is probably a better one than it was before because it's actually closed below on the 15 there. Still a lot of rejection wicks though, but yeah, I'm not asked. Let's take a look here. So yeah, she continued back down here, 1951 potentially. The reason why that celery is better than this one is because it's actually closed below this level now. So that was alright. No top wick though again, so.
It does have a mini one.
A little minuscule one. A little minuscule one. Oh yeah, it does. I can see it. It does indeed. So what you do is, you know, if you got into the break of the low there, you'd be at break even now. Stop loss above there. Yeah, you got like 1-to-1 out of it, to be fair. Just go break even. That it fills the zone. GJ Celery, yeah, looking like broke the high. No one wick really again, maybe a little nipple again. Good stuff. Continue back to the highs. Looking like we're playing in this range pretty hard now. Look at this. These daily time frames got loads of volume, just no direction. Like we don't know where to go, bro. We don't know where to go. Celery in a 15 is a no-no for me. I just think the zone is like, you know, getting down here is not bad to get the initial drive, but after that I'm not really asked. There we go, there's GJ, sorry Goldie, gonna go make the top wicks and all that stuff. That's why. Nah, I actually don't mind 15 celeries, but just it normally has to make a top wick first, then break the low, right? I don't really like it when it breaks the low straight away. So yeah, 30-minute close bearish on EJ. Same thing on GJ. A little bit lower though in terms of strength of the candle, but the EJ 30-minute was proper strong. Very nice. GGI took 10 pips and run, lol, nice. I just do be careful with taking trades like this. Obviously today is good, it looks like there's enough volume, but make sure to identify that you know that, right? Because realistically, there's a lot of days where GJ will happily sit in that zone. So you've got to identify that you're taking it based on the volume, not on the setup really, because the setup there was no closure, it just fucking pushed. Still near GJ Asian highs to see what it does. Push or reject, yeah. We'll have to see. Get that reflip. Goldie on X Games mode today for people trying to take sells in that shitty area. You're gonna get slapped. So just remember, right, you can literally see here on the 30-minute time frame, right, the support there. Below, there's rejection wicks there, which makes price gonna, you know, not push too easily. Then you have another support below. Then you have another support below. Then you've got a rejection wick again. It's not a nice clean zone, right? So when you're looking to take gold trades, if you want a simple trade with, you know, minimal stress at all, you just look for the clean candles and you take the clean candle one. This is why we looked to the left of here and we took sells there. We looked for taking some more sells below. You know why? Because the left side is hella clean. We wanted to take sells down here. Couldn't really get the entry that I wanted as it closed on support, but you know, same kind of thing. Clean zone below. If you're going to the chart and you're looking to take trades in here, you've got to be careful of the zones. For example, if you took this celery on the 15, is it there? Right? What do you need to remember? Well, the support there, which it literally tapped. So that's why, you know, I just can't be asked to get into a zone like that. I'd rather take 10 trades in the month that are 80 to 90% win rate on Goldie than take shitty ass trades and take fucking 30 of them. on gold. If you look at my win rate on gold this month, 83% win rate, and I took 12 trades, so I think I lost one, maybe 1.5, 2, something like that. So yeah. Roger said support is broken with volume. Pre-London Open. Yeah, of course it is. That's what happened with GJ here. It broke with volume, but you've got to know before it gets to that level there that there's volume. How do you get that? Well, you know, rejection wicks there, but it is a more of an intuition guessing game. It's, you know, for beginners, how the fuck are you meant to know how if this is bullish, if this has got a huge volume to break this resistance or not? You don't. Nice. You just guess. And the issue you have when you're a beginner is that you take every single one of these breaking of highs here, and it's not a big win rate. If you go on a simulation and you just take every single buy above, sells below like levels, you will get clotted pretty easily. Okay, you need to wait for closures really, unless obviously you've been doing it for a long time and you know that there's a lot of volume. For example, I've been saying a lot of the time recently that when Asian session holds a support, can you see it holds a support? If it reacts off it, we normally get a drive up. So that's something that I've been looking at, and we will be going through on sims of that. Today we're going to do gold sim, but then tomorrow we're going to do the GJ one. So we'll see what we can get there. But yeah, for me, there's just nothing at the moment here. And I'll say it again and again, but once you get comfortable with that, man, life is good. Like, life is good. I wait for my zones, just like Don does, just like Raji does. We just sit and wait. Wait. If they come today, then that's fine. If they come tomorrow, then that's fine. You know, it's just the process. The process. And like, you know, don't feel like you need to take a trade, right? It's all down to the end of the month. The end of the month, you know, if you're profitable, if you've got a good win rate, then you've done well. Okay. I look at my month and I go, yeah, you know what? Hit nearly 10%, 70% win rates. Not bad. Move on to the other one. The January is 9.5, so I've beat that one with a better win rate. February is a little bit better. 14, 13, 14. I made actually 15%, 16% on February that time. I've made about 11 on this one. So it's all right. It's not bad. Things that I could work on, I could hold trades on a little bit longer with volume, on like Goldie, and just take out the 15, which is what I've done. So that's how I'm gonna really, you know, magnify these gains to get to that 20% mark, which is what I'm aiming for, really. %10 is better than most institutions. Exactly, man, and that's why I'm happy just sitting here, you know. I'm happy just sitting here, relaxing, waiting for that next move that's gonna have a great chance of winning. So now it's made the top wick, rebroke the low, so looking like it's all right now. But as I say, you know, target there 1951.4 if you want to take it. For me though, I'm not. I don't like this zone. No. Just out of interest, how much percentage has your lot size gone up since using percentage risk? How much percentage has your lot size gone up? What do you mean? Well, it varies every time. Because it just depends on the stop. How long are you usually on for London? Yeah, maybe like 9 o'clock. Do you have negative months? No. Up 6% this month. Very nice. Yeah, I don't have negative months. I have negative maybe negative week, but that's very rare really. It's sometimes break even week. But for the most part, you know, it's just not bad. Nando's or KFC, Max? Ah, Nando's, man. If you get 150 likes, then you will see how your lot size changes because you'll get magic keys. Risk-wise, so if you risk 1.4%, but your account increases. I haven't actually checked, to be honest with you, Stevie boy. I haven't actually checked. Yeah, try to do the maths on that, and it was a bit confusing, to be fair, because it's doing 1.4% of your current account at all times. It's compounding pretty much every time. Let's take a look at people in the chat. Yeah, nice. Roscoe got that as well. So yeah, we'll take a look when we do the Sims tomorrow on GJ. We'll just have a fine eye just for when we hold support. I quite like the new Rolex. I think it looks quite cool, and it's got a clear back at the back as well, which is pretty nice. I like. Gold consolidating, yeah. To be expected. Why? Because the zone is shit. Okay, so you just gotta really, especially with gold, man. If you go on to any backtesting thing and just load it up and just find the clean candles where the clean zones are, where there's not much traffic, and just take every single trade you can possibly think of in there, you'll make a shitload. Yeah, like 82% win rate, 154% gain just on, well, a lot of it, most of it, 110% is on breakouts. Breakouts on 30-minute time frames and on 15, really. Just waiting for the clean candles. So, and as I said to a lot of the group here, what I might do potentially, you know, halfway through this year is, if we're starting to really hit 83% the whole year, like, you know, for the next couple months. So right now, what was it? So yeah, gold was quite low in Feb, but that's because you're using 15s and getting into trend lines. 71% there. March was 80%. So if you start to get like around 80% overall until we get to like August, then I may up my lot size on gold to 2% because the win rate is so high. I got uni presentation soon, waking up early for the charts, and that makes me... Right, I'm going to quickly go get a coffee. Looking like EJ may potentially have a closure in 30 minutes time above. So we'll see how that would look in terms of stops tonight. You know, if this candle closes above the 30 minutes, stop loss below. If if we got a closure there, stop loss would be 30 pips. Gain would be, yeah, 39. It's all right. Okay, guys, it'll be 2 minutes. We'll get a coffee. That's just how I feel. Nah, nah. I just fucking mean bitch. Doom. Okay. EJ potential buy soon. Yeah, if it gets a closure, but it looks like it's rejecting. Rejecting on this fine morning. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. What's the difference between a roadman and a mandem? I don't know. Not from them ends, bro. Roadman is a fucking someone who looks like just a roadman, like he's road. He's on the roads, on the streets, I think. And mandem is just the mandem, like the people, the man, the men. That's my white interpretation of it. Is Goldie gonna try and continue down again? Is he gonna finally do it? So the 4 hour looks great to get down to the lows. It's just the other time frames look nasty. Would you raise on now? No lower wick on the hourly yet, which is a bit of frustrating. So we'll see. I got that word so quick, man. Fucking third guess. What?
I can't believe we're about to talk with the Sir Alex Ferguson, arguably the greatest football manager ever. He's won 13 Premier League titles.
I know. I'm super nervous. I hear he's a master intimidator.
Ryan, he's way past that part of his career. Besides, we're playing a friendly match, so I'm sure it's going to be...
Oh! Hello!
What the fuck is this?
Hello, Sir Alex. It's an honor to be speaking with you
This
today.
is mad, man. I fucking love these two. It's sick.
Sir.
Yeah, Sir Alex, we are truly grateful that you agreed to help announce the match between Wrexham and Manchester United.
Yeah. What did I tell you? Mind games.
Sir Alex, we can't wait to see all the Red Dragon and the Red Devil players on the pitch together.
Yeah, we think that fans of both clubs, they're really going to love it. No, it's what's doing. Yeah, I don't living in our heads rent free.
Understand what's happening. What
I got this.
What should we do? What should we do?
Sir Alex, we would love to talk more about the big match happening at Snapdragon Stadium in San Diego on July 25th. But you know, Rob here had a hair appointment in Beverly Hills. He has to get to it right now, so the schedule's inflexible for that. So thank you, sir. We appreciate you. Bye.
Wait, what was that?
I panicked.
That was terrifying.
Yeah, I told you, legendary intimidator. Lives right up here.
How did the call go with Ryan and Rob, Sir Alex?
They're on mute. Never heard the thing.
That's well good. They're on mute. We're on bloody mute. So 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left for disclosure. See how we can get disclosure. Have to wait for the hourly, we'll see. Because there's obviously hourly support there as well. So if in doubt, wait for another closure, right? I always say that to people, right? If you're liking a setup, but you're worried maybe about this closure, maybe you fancy waiting for the hourly closure, just wait for the hourly closure. And if it runs off without you, that's fine. You can go through maybe how you could have got in, but if the hourly comes, then you can take it. We took a trade, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday, wasn't it? The GJ buy, everyone was looking to get in on the 15 here, and I was like, I'm just going to wait for the 30 to close. I think I can still take my piece out of it, and I did. Which is beautiful. You only took 20 trades for the whole month. I took... No. I've taken 24. When in doubt, whip closure. You only took 20 trades this whole month? What? That's horrendous. You should be taking 100. Get those numbers up. It's like Wolf of Wall Street. Those are rookie numbers. Those are rookie numbers. You gotta be wanking 5 times a day. Yeah, like 9.78. Did I double risk any this month? I think I maybe double risk 1. I don't know though. I don't know. Like step 100 a month. Yeah, like these are the stats that if I just do this at overall, you know, that's a bigger picture of things, you know. 16 losses, 42 wins. The percentage gain, this was good. So how do you stop yourself from taking more trades? Do you stop at 1 or 2 trades per day, or how do you talk to yourself? I don't talk to myself, man. I just know exactly what I need to find. I need to find clean candles and clean ranges. So if there's clean candles and clean ranges and there's 5 trading opportunities, I'll take them. If there's not, I won't take any. It's just there's for me the mental like psychology behind it for me now is not even there. I've been doing it for too long now to get caught up with that. You know, I just look for the clean ranges. If I get them, which, you know, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, then that's great. Somebody just ask you how to talk to yourself. Well, nah, but he's just asking for help about, you know, taking too many trades. But the reason why I think a lot of people take too many trades is because then they don't know their strategy. They're just taking it based on, oh, I think it's gonna go up now. Oh, I think GJ is gonna go up this morning. Oh, I missed this move. Oh, I should have taken 7 trades there. There's no plan. There's no strategy. So it's just about that, man. Do, 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 do. He's got to close a little bit higher than that. It's a hard one. It's right at the level. If I look to the left hand side, we had resistance here, we had resistance there, we had resistance there, resistance there, resistance there. And also, if you look at the 15-minute, we had resistance there, we had support there, so it hasn't closed above, unfortunately. Okay, so that's that. Done about. GJ's still in here. Goldie's closed very bullish. Starting to reject them lows. A little bit of a W formation really here on the 5. 15's close strong. But yeah, as I say, it's just in this choppy ass area, so you know, just nothing. The less capital you have, the more trades you want to take, whether it's winning back what you lost or trying to double what you have, as wins will be small. It's a steady, slow game. Well, exactly, you know, it's just it's getting through that mentality. If you can make, you know, 10, 15, 20% a month, every single month, and just do that for 4 years, no matter really where you start, you'll be making some good money at the end, so. Please, I need your trading journal, okay. It's actually already in the chat, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, go up in the chat. It says, here's the link to my trades taken. Just make a copy of that sheet. So, another thing as well, right? This for me hasn't closed strongly enough yet, right? Hasn't closed strongly above. Also, the hourly as well hasn't really closed, so needed really a strong closure there. If this candle now breaks up and pushes and fills the zone, that's great. That's fine. I knew that the zone was clean. I knew that I was correct, but in my rule, which is the whole part of trading, you need a strategy, it didn't close above, so This is Fugazi. This is a impulse trade, you know. So you just got to stick with their rules more. Could GJ be entered on the flip? Bye. You tell me. You tell me. If you've watched GJ all morning and you've looked at trades, where's the area that you really would probably want to take trades? Well, probably there, right? So anything above, you look above, you go, well, yeah, this wasn't that clean. So you've missed this area to taking trades. If it was in your strategy or not, it doesn't matter. You've missed that area in terms of entering, and that's the move kind of done. Can it still continue and fill a zone? 100%, but it's over. It's doing it 100 of times. If you take buys at a level where the price left hand side is choppy, you're gonna have a tough time most times. Okay. Let's take a look then. EJ pushing up, very nice. So much volume still. Goldie, lower wick. Not doing too much yet. I think we could get Asian fake out later. I don't know. I think that support forming wasn't actually too bad. Was that at 8 o'clock? Waiting for GA to clear Asian highs before my next entry. Yes. See how it can clear Asian highs. Still in a higher time frame, you can see we're not in an area where we have clean traffic, right? Obviously, this was nice all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. But you're coming towards areas of resistance here, which can cause quite a lot of pain if you're not careful. 270 people in the building, amazing work. But yeah, I'm just waiting for a closure. That's all I'm waiting for. Can you see that EJ rejecting? Why? Well, because it is a resistance which hasn't closed above yet. Gold sells in the 15 minutes. Was a good example of candles not breaking the low. Yeah. So how many people here, be honest, how many people try to take sells here? After the first time it doesn't work, it comes back up. Please do try not to re-enter like 2 or 3 more times. Clearly got a level of support there that's holding pretty hard. Took sells and got out 20 pips. Nice for you. So yeah, we'll do which actually sim are we on now? Let's take a look. Gold June, so we'll do gold July. Gold July 2021 today. What do you think about an onion play on gold 30 minute with a strong bullish closure? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like this price action, to be honest with you, brother. 30 minutes closed bullish. I mean, if it rejects that and breaks the high, it could potentially continue. It's just the zone. It's quite short in this area to 1957, and realistically, the 4 hours is still bearish. So I'd leave it out of this zone. I think this whole zone's pretty nasty. EJ coming again. First target would be like 142 psychological level. It's a good level to take sub. So yeah, I mean, what I would say to other people as well is, at the end of your session, you go through and you go, right, with my strategy that I take, what trades should I have taken if I missed any? And like for me here, I look and I go, well, celery there, left hand side is getting to a choppy area, which I don't have much luck with. Goldie wouldn't take in any trades there either. And EJ I wouldn't have taken because the 30 did not close above this level, and neither has the hourly yet. So I wouldn't have taken any trades. Therefore, if I was on simulation, it wouldn't have done anything. I wouldn't have done anything either. So it's fine. You're just gonna move on. Someone in the chat, Lucian over here. I took that loss on gold. I still take impulse trades. I repeat, stop taking impulses. It'll save you time, effort, sweat, energy, and pips and money. Just leave it alone. What is a celery? It's when candle closes against you. Oh my god, sorry. Right, this is a celery. Break of the high. Stop loss below. It's when a previous candle closes against your direction and breaks the high. So it'd be like that. Be like that. I take most of my losses in London. Do you think I should avoid trading London? Well, I don't think avoiding areas where you seem to be struggling trade, I don't think that's the best thing. I think just going back and looking what you've done wrong, because you know, for us, London's pretty good, man. I've taken 1 L through London this month. The rest are all winners. So London's been better than NY this month. So I would just go through. You're losing trades. You would have done something wrong. And, you know, build up on that. There's no point avoiding times where, you know, you're not taking good trades. Because London's a good session, right? It's got good volume. You just got to know what's going on. Morning, how's it going? I'm doing well, my man. I'm doing well. Feeling good. It's Tuesday. Ready to go for a gym. I'm going to do back at the moment, I think, now, today. And then some boxing after. If you got into GJ here, I'd go break even now. And hope this pushes on that celery. Like that. So basically retrace the whole Asian move. Wow. I'm training for his wings today. Mate, I got my meal preps on the go. And yeah, like, you know, like as I say again, you know, this candle pushed up. It's done exactly what I wanted it to do. It just didn't close above. But if you get vexed about that, like when a candle runs without you, that you really need to stop that, right? It's just emotions and trading. Stop getting vexed, man. There's no need. You should be happy. It worked out. It worked nicely, right? The left hand side was clean. You identified that it moved up nicely on the 15s and on the 30 minutes over here. If you look at the 30, very, very clean up, clean down, clean up, clean down. It just didn't give you that close that you wanted. The amount of people that I get messages. So EJ is done? Yeah, EJ's done. Yeah, that's where you'd want to get in. That's where you'd want to start to close around 142. Yep. I got goldie coming down again. So people are going to take the 7th trade on gold. So yeah, it's gone up 92 pips. Wow. Still so much volume, eh? Recently. Very nice. So there we go. I'd probably just close full there, EJ. That's where I'd probably close full. So yeah, like all I wanted really was this candle to just close like this. A little bit higher above, just so I can get above this support. And then that's a closure in the zone. Next is buy above 142, 250 for EJ. Yeah. It's got a while to get to there, but yeah. Did you take that trade on your JPY? No. Didn't close above. You didn't have closure? No, it just didn't close above my level that I wanted, which is this one here. 779. Why? Well, because the 30-minute had a resistance here before there. Has a little support there, which yeah did close above. 50-minute time frame had a support there and a resistance. So I wanted it to just close above that level. It did close above on the 30. Yeah, it did, but not on the 15. So basing mainly off the 15s here. Look at this volume. We're still kicking over here. 842. We're flying. Flying, flying, flying. No. But anyway. It's not always. There's a lot of times where the 15-minute time frame gives you the actual where the actual support is, and the 30 can skew it a little bit, and you can take a 30 trade and get slapped. So I always base it really on the 15 and the 30. Use the lowest one possible. So 4 hour coming above the 4 hour res. The daily time frame is flipping as well. So yeah, it looks good for maybe later on. You know, maybe some a high form to support forming maybe later on. Something like that. Gold coming down. Yeah, it's just struggling at that level, man. If you look at the 1 minute. Closed below. First 1 minute candle that closed below. 1 minute time frame. Finally breaks the low. Is it finally going to come below here to 1951? There we go. Look at the 4 hour. It's going to do probably, hopefully, what we wanted it to finally do. But you can see saving so much time and effort there just because of looking at the left. So what I'd say is, obviously, in 45 minutes, GJ has got news. They've got Bailey speaking in an hour's time, which will be interesting. Start to see maybe price range before then, half an hour before then. Goldie, as I say, needs to really get below these levels. I think there's not a bad level below 1944, which you could potentially take later on to fill this zone. So maybe potentially sells below 1944. In terms of EJ, it's kind of done that zone for me. The zone above is all right, but yeah, probably have to wait until 250 to get to that. And that's me done, Very, very simple. What we do every single morning. We analyze, we try and find some entries in terms of our closures, but realistically, for me, I didn't find anything. I really actually wanted the sells below here on GJ, because this is so clean below on the 30. But we pushed off here. If you guys did get entries, well done. If you guys didn't, don't worry about it. As I say again and again, focus on the bigger picture. Okay, focus on the bigger picture. It'll save you a shitload of time and effort. Don't you think it's a good sell below 1951? Right, I'm not gonna go through this again, but I'll just draw it one more time just to show you. That's it. That's at 1950. This one. So 1951, your zone is tiny. Okay. So no comprendo, no comprendo. Yeah, 15 closed bearish. Retest. See if we can finally drop to 1951. Look at GJ still going, man. Fucking hell. Look at these 5 minute candles are launching. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously, an hour left for the 4 hour to close as well. That'll be great to see where we're going to close there. And beautiful, man. Look at EJ. What a fucking rocket. What a fucking rocket, mate. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. I'll see you guys later on. For me, no trades taken so far today, but we'll come back for NY session later on, which will be a fire. We'll see some NY trades there, hopefully. And yeah, we've got a simulation session after. So if you guys do want to join the mentorship, make sure to come and click the link here. And yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. Adios, amigos. Peace out. Peace out. We'll see you guys later. See everyone in the mentorship at 12 o'clock. Adios. Adios. Peace out. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Thank you guys. Peace out. Adios.